Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. These are dill leaves, very fragrant, sweet and slightly tangy. These are mainly grown in Eurasia and often used as spice for their unique flavor. My mom usually uses this seasonal herb to make a side dish which is sauteed potatoes with rosemary and dill. But today I'll be using this to make the German Dill Potato Salad. I hope my mom likes it. Let's get into it. Here I have boiled potatoes that I have peeled. These potatoes are still firm and not too mushy. After all, we're not making mashed potatoes. Now I'll dice them. Now I'll take a large bowl and I'll mix in my vinegar, sugar and salt. Now I'll give it a whisk until all the sugar and salt is dissolved. I'll also add in the black pepper. Next goes in some mayonnaise. And some hunkers. Now I'll combine everything together. Next, I'll finally chop our star ingredient, the dill leaves. And now it goes to the dressing. It's time to toss in the potatoes. Our potato salad is ready and it's time to plate it. Ta-da! Let's give it a try. This is a perfect delight for a sunny winter afternoon. Grab your dill leaves before they get out of season. And do give this recipe a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.